Everyone. Welcome to the future of news broadcasting. Imagine a world where AI-powered anchors seamlessly deliver real-time news updates with flawless precision, synchronized lip movements, and lifelike voice modulation. No delays, no human limitation, just 24/7 reliable, engaging, and professional news coverage at your fingertips. But how does this cutting-edge technology work? How do we transform raw news data into a fully animated, AI-driven anchor delivering reports just like a human? Today, we take you behind the scenes of our AI news anchor automation, where innovation meets journalism and the future of media is being redefined. So let us test the workflow. So for news anchor video, this is the video I have uploaded in my drive. Let's see the video. So this was the sample video I am using for this automation. So we just have to give the name of news, and it will automatically generate the audio and use this video make the full-fledged video with lip synchronizing. So let us test. Here we have to enter the details, so there I will give the topic. Let us test this. So take some time. I will resume the video after finishing, so our workflow is executed successfully. So this is the content this was the topic I have given, and this is the content which it has generated, so this has extracted the information. And here we are making a script, so we making a video from script. Here we are using the voice of Echo. So was the video, so this was the audio.
Breaking news. Black Oxygen Organics has announced the closure of its operations amid a class action lawsuit alleging contamination with toxic heavy metals. Meanwhile, scientists are investigating a fascinating discovery of dark oxygen being produced in the deep ocean by lumpy metallic rocks. This phenomenon could redefine our understanding of oxygen production in environments devoid of sunlight. Stay tuned for more updates on these developing stories.
And now this was our sample video. So we use this video and we make a full-fledged output. So this is the outcome.
In breaking news, Black Oxygen Organics has announced the closure of its operations amid a class action lawsuit alleging contamination with toxic heavy metals. Meanwhile, scientists are investigating a fascinating discovery of dark oxygen being produced in the deep ocean by lumpy metallic rocks. This phenomenon could redefine our understanding of oxygen production in environments devoid of sunlight. Stay tuned for more updates on these developing stories.
So this was our outcome, so let us build this automation from start. So this is the new automation workflow which I have taken, and first node will be taking on form submit. Here is the form. Form title is generated news. Here we have to topic. Here we have to select the required. So next node we will be taking is an OpenAI model, and we'll be choosing the message a model. Here I have to already entered the credential. I have my pasted OpenAI key. If you haven't, you can create your account. And here the resources text and operation will be message a model. Here we have to select the model air. I am selecting 3.5 turbo here. We have to give the prompt. I am giving the expression. I have already written that, so let me just copy and paste. So to have written the expression, so it says generate a short video AI generated news script, and that should be on the latest update on that topic which we have submitted. And we have to use the latest news of the ChatGPT and SERP API for web scraping, and these are the other details. So it is done. Here we have to select the role as the system, and we are good to go. Here I will add a tool SERP API. This is we are using for the web scraping. So this is done. So let us test the workflow. So as you can see, it is executing totally fine. So let us open this goes our topic, and we are getting this output from that. This is the news. So let us move back. So the next node we will be taking is an information extractor. We are using this. Here we have to enter the text. So the text I will drag and drop this. It is okay. Here we have to add attribute speech. And description will be only speech part. And it is okay. And here we also have to add the Google Gemini. So here I am using this. It is okay. Now let us move back and test this, so I am just click on the test workflow. So let me correct the error. So this is running fine. We have given this and here is our output. So this is our output. So let us move to the next node. The next node will be an OpenAI node. Here we will use this for generation for audio and here is this. Here I have already entered the OpenAI credential, so I haven't, you can click on this, and here is the resource audio, and here we have to generate the audio. I have rerun the speech model, I have selected the TTS. So voice, we are selecting the echo. So here we have to give the prompt what is the audio file we are using, and here we will just drag and drop this. We are making this speech as audio. So let us test the step. So as you can see, the execution is successful. So let us...
Las Vegas police have made an arrest for a targeted attack at a Tesla center. A man has been arrested in connection with an arson attack on a Tesla location in Las Vegas. Las Vegas 911 calls detail a Tesla service center fire and gunshots. Elon Musk says Trump's auto tariffs won't be a problem for Tesla. Tesla is not unscathed by Trump tariffs, but localized production may shield. Elon Musk speaks out on injustices towards Tesla people and customers.
So this was the audio, and now we have to audio, so we can store this audio for later on use, so we have to select upload file. So I have already entered my Google credentials. If you haven't, you can enter that, so the resources will be the file and operation will be the upload. So here the operation is the update, the file input is data, and here we have to select the file name. So here I am writing the expression. So I am saving this audio file with the name with current date and time and plus with the audio.mp3 extraction. So it is okay. From here we select the folder, so I will be saving the audio news folder. So here I have selected the news audio folder. So let us test this. So as you can see, we have saved the file over there, so let us move there. So next node will be a HTTP request. So here in this request, first of all, we have to log in this website is civdata.com. We have to click on get started. Here is our dashboard. So you have to go in settings, and here you have to get the API key. From here you will use this API key lip syncing process. So here the method will be the post method. And here we have to enter the URL. The URL is, so this is the URL, and here we have to send the header along with the request, and so here we have to enter our API. So this is the API name. So here we have to paste the API key. Let me copy and paste that from the website, and here we have to add a send body along with this. And here we have to use the JSON, and we have to write the details of the function we are using. We are using civ/lipsync. So this is the JSON I have written here. I am using the civ/lipsync function. And here I am giving the URL for the sample anchor video, and here I am giving the audio. I am accessing audio from the node. So let's move forward, so we are done with this. Let us test the node. So as you can see, our status is queued. So this request is gone over there, and let me show you that. So as you see, this is our request. It is processing. It will take the time of 4 to 5 minutes. Let us move forward. So the next we will be taking is a wait node. We will wait for some time, and we will again check that here I am taking 1 minute wait. And then here we will be using the another request if our work is done over there or not. Here's our request. Here it will be the get request. Let me execute the previous node. Here we have to enter this, so this is the expression. Here we have to pass the ID, which we have gotten. When his command executes, we get the ID over there. And here we will get the ID over there. Here we are there pasting dynamically from previous node. So the wait node is executed, and here I am checking for this website, and the job is this one. We have to enter the slash. So this is the ID. We will also be sending the header along with that. And we have again pasted the API. So here will be the API. Let me copy and paste the API from previous node. So is the previous node, and so here I have pasted this. And we're good to go, so let us test the node. So as you can see, the execution is running fine. And here it is showing the status of processing. It means it is still processing that thing. So here we have to add a if condition. If the status is done, then we will move forward. Otherwise, we keep on repeating this thing. Add a if node. Here we'll just write the status from previous node, and here will be JSON. Status, this is the status we are getting from previous node. And here equal, it is finished. Then okay, otherwise we will be keep on looping. We have two condition, true and false. If that is still processing, we will keep on checking that. And if not, then we add another node. It will be HTTP node. Here we will get the video. Finally, here the method will be the get. So let me execute the previous node. So as the status is showing, this is finished. So let us run this node. So here we has gotten the data. So here the URL will be this. So the URL is $JSON output data URL. So we are getting the URL of the video, which is generated here. We will use this to get the details. So here don't have to fill anything. We will just test the stuff. So as you can see, this node is executing successfully. So let me view the video.
Las Vegas police have made an arrest for a targeted attack at a Tesla center. A man has been arrested in connection with an arson attack on a Tesla location in Las Vegas. Las Vegas 911 calls detail a Tesla service center fire and gunshots. Elon Musk says Trump's auto tariffs won't be a problem for Tesla. Tesla is not unscathed by Trump tariffs, but localized production may shield. Elon Musk speaks out on injustices towards Tesla people and customers.
Our automation is done. Let me test this automation once again with some another news. So here I will enter the news. So let us the update on COVID-19 news. So let us test this. So it takes some time, so I will resume the video after it is done. So as you can see, the execution is completed. Here is our result output.
The World Health Organization, WHO, has requested specific data to inform the May 2025 COVID-19 vaccine antigen composition deliberations. NIH is planning to reduce grants for COVID research, as revealed in documents. CDC is retracting $11 billion in COVID funding previously allocated to health departments across the United States.
So that was the generated video. And that's how AI is revolutionizing the news industry. With automation news anchors, we can deliver 24/7 updates with speed, efficiency, and accuracy. What do you think about AI in journalism? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI-powered innovations. See you in the next video.